I haven't seen under the hood of this thing in a long time.
Nothing's changed. Literally nothing's changed. Just runs. I haven't changed the name. That's the goal. Yeah.
How long has this been together now? 2 years?
Yeah. December was 2 years. No. Year and a half? Year and a half? Year and a half, yeah. This December will be 2 years. Well, that's the goal. You just want it to run.
Yep. That is the goal. You don't want to work on it, you want to race it.
No, you want it to just run. I like it.
This car just makes me like super anxious to see Drew's all done too.
Oh yeah.
So cool.
I'd say it makes me anxious to see Mario's done, but no.
Oh,
hey, the engine's at Kelly's. I was there last weekend.
Oh, it is over there now?
It's gone!
Right.
What happened?
Not there.
That's good.
Yeah, rear end's been ordered. That's 5 weeks out.
Whew. Doesn't matter.
I'm shopping around, pricing on transmissions.
Yeah.
You gonna go back to 4060?
Probably gonna do a
T65.
A 6 4080, that's the good one.
4080. That's right.
He wants to do his roof. He's like, what do you think I should do? I'm like, dude, going to T-top to a hard top to save a lot of weight. Going from hard top to regular hard top, I was like, just do the fiberglass one. Because like, I don't know if I should do carbon fiber or fiberglass. Like for double the price, you're not gaining anything.
What, the only advantage is getting rid of that.
Yeah.
So it doesn't cut this whole structural part out of it, right? It's just like
it's the glued on. So you just laminates, yeah.
And this is made out of fiberglass?
This is all fiberglass, yeah. Fiberglass.
The only thing is cutting it with a cage. Yeah. It's harder to deal with when there's a cage in the way. Because I already had the cage in my car before I was going to take care of it.
Yeah.
And afterwards, I'm like, it. I'm not touching it. It is what it is.
Headers, pulley, heat exchanger, expansion tank, pitch cam.
Well done. Very well done.
Yeah, I've been non-stop to make sure it got done.
Make sure it goes on?
Well, I had till tomorrow, but then I was like, man, I'm really boogieing on this thing. I'm just gonna keep
crank it out. Yeah.
Dude, it's the highest stock bottom end hours.
Yeah, I was looking at the thing. I thought it had headers or something, but
dude, I can't believe how much this thing made stock.
What do they typically make? Like 550?
Yeah. Yeah, for the manual.
This is a manual too?
Yep. Dude, this thing made 585 first of all. And then
one more time? 585?
Yeah.
Wow.
I was like, huh. Well, I hope it picks up power.
No phone. Is this a 18 or 19?
19.
Let's look at that new lid. I wonder if
yeah,
that's a thing.
New lid. Well, no, they've had that since 17.
Okay.
In the tune, we did notice that the throttle body scaler is larger than the previous one, so
really?
We haven't measured it, but we think that might be a ZR1 throttle body.
Interesting. Which are how big?
95, I believe.
Wow.
I know that it's the biggest factory throttle body GM's ever done.
Wow.
It just used to be a clutch.
What does a car typically make with this setup for torque? About the same?
Yeah, that's about right. I mean, that's actually a lot of torque. Yeah. It'll definitely feel it.
Mario,
What up?
what you doing?
Oh God, dude. The cradle, the 6th gen. Probably the hardest cradle inserts I've ever done.
Really?
Oh, absolutely. Worse than GTO.
Oh my god.
They just suck to get out. Usually just use a Sawzall and just cut a slot, punch them out. This one, there's like a aluminum jacket around it. You can't use a Sawzall because you can't start the cut.
That's good.
So you gotta use a hole saw for the whole thing.
Jesus Christ.
Use the hole saw. Once you get the hole saw, then you end with that.
And then you have to just deform it until it gets out?
Now what you do is so you get the hole saw. This is the center part. Imagine it's in there. Use a hole saw. Cuts that. Cuts the outer rubber. Then you end up with that. What you end up doing when you have that, that's the outer sleeve, the outer jacket. Take this, Sawzall. Cut a slot in it. Once you cut a slot in it, you cut one there, and you cut another one elsewhere. It could be anywhere else. And you just
Have these?
falls out. It's cut in half, it's cut in a third, it's cut in whatever. Just
It's that easy.
It's that easy, but it takes a lot of time.
Is that all he's doing? Is cradle bushings?
Cradle bushings, dip bushings, upper arms, lower arms, 15-inch brakes, 15-inch wheels. Yeah, the whole deal.
It's always funny watching stuff like this. Because I imagine somebody do it in their driveway with like Harbor Freight tools.
Not on the new kit.
Yeah.
At least the 5th gens you can store hammer it out.
Yeah.
This is a good one to put in the episode because it's literally like, no, that's why it's 1,000,000 hours.
This looks like
Mario's been going non-stop. He had a small French fry brake, and that's it.
I broke the tool.
Oh my god. Hey buddy.
Hey.
What's that? Brake fluid?
Yeah.
Doing the brakes?
Yeah.
We got the trail back in.
Oh yeah. All the arms, all the bushings. God, those bushings suck.
Yeah. What a dismal looking job, man.
Maybe front brakes, poly mounts, and that's about it actually. Yeah.
Does any of his turbo stuff get in the way of the mounts, or?
No, not really.
That's good.
The turbo drains are actually going to be happier when the new mounts are in there because it's like a single stand pedestal.
Okay.
I put a drive shaft in here.
What'd you do?
Drive shaft.
DSS or?
DSS, yeah. Drive shaft loop. Oh.
So DSS is for stuff that's like made for. I mean, like the difference between like you choosing DSS versus PST. PST is more for custom stuff, right? Kind of thing. Okay.
Yep.
And then DSS generally has it on the shelf.
They already have it ready to go. They already know what you want. They've already made them.
Okay.
Did drive shaft shop axles as well.
So what?
The axles.
Oh yeah. Okay. How's it going, buddy?
Hey, what's going on, brother?
Oh man, how's this thing treating you?
Pretty good, actually. Got all the headers. I got the full exhaust on.
Pulleys on, all that good stuff?
Yeah, I got the pulley on. That was pretty seamless. And then now I'm putting in this Mighty Mouse catch can, just fitting up these lines real quick. And
Nice, dude.
yeah,
Wrapping it up.
yeah, one thing at a time, man.
Looks good, man. What'd you think of like everything, like the install and all that stuff?
Well, the pulley install is pretty seamless. The exhaust was just an exhaust, no big deal.
Yeah.
But so far, so good,
What do
actually.
you think of the headers?
That was a little bit of a pain in the ass. Just, you know, with all the passenger side stuff in the way, like, I don't know, I got big hands, so
Yeah.
trying to get my hands in all these small spots just tore them up. But
Good, yeah.
other than that, it's just another install, man.
It's looking good, dude. What intake is he doing? Oh, ours? Nice.
Yeah, so our intake and the pulley, and then, yeah, I think that's it.
Should be a totally different animal when it's all done.
Yeah, especially, you know, it's getting meth and flex feel, so
Oh yeah.
it'll make it a good.
He'll feel it for sure. You'll definitely feel it.
Wendy's down.
You and your Wendy's. So good.
It really is.
I actually had Wendy's the other night. That's crazy.
I know. Well, no, they sent me a message. Sorry, we're 10 minutes late.
Oh, did they really?
But they charge you immediately. They
They
don't
hold the spit.
Yeah.
No, yeah, the tip thing. They charge you the tip instantly.
I had to go to Supreme Court with Postmates.
What, is that over yet or what?
He was gonna kill him.
Is that gonna be on trial? It's gonna be a Netflix.
I already went through.
Is it gonna be a Netflix special?
I already did it.
Oh, you did it? It's done?
Yeah, I went to Supreme Court.
Did you win?
Won the case, yeah.
Did you really?
Yeah, I won the case.
What'd you get?
My $11.36.
Yeah.
Yeah, give him a small
What'd you do
claim.
with it? Bought a Wendy's burger?
Dude, it sucks. I just did this.
Who wrapped these? Yeah, it's a better idea. They cut the tire out.
No! I don't want a knife near a tire.
Oh, wheel specialist do these?
Carla.
Oh, they mount them too?
Yeah.
Oh. Can we just put this together so you can do wheelies already?
Dude, I want it on a Lumistar up front. Did you see his oil fill cap?
No.
Think it got warm in there?
What? Holy shit. It was
The
letters are even all sad. Crazy. Is it sitting right next to the
It's not that close. It's maybe that far away.
Man, it's gonna get hot under there.
Yeah, that's why he's getting a vented hood.
Oh, good
Like
call.
a real vented hood.
Like it's
Like-
Chachi, like it's
Really?
It's got a lot of vents.
Yeah.
like, you know when you go on like the back of a magazine where all the Honda hoods are and Honda body kits? You're like,
Yeah.
who would ever fits that hood?
Yeah.
It's funny because it's like all stock body everywhere else. And
It's
he's
like-
like, I really don't want to do it, but I guess I have to. I'm like, yeah, you do.
Back on
It's
some
the
of the
6
big
Elite
cars.
Design IROC Z hood.
Oh shit. So he's stepping up is what you're saying. That's good looking actually. I like that.
Yeah.
It
And
is
those
Italian,
vents are
it is.
right over where those dowmpipes are going. So
Perfect. Made that
And the cowl has venting in the rear and
perfect. I'm sure that'll help not melt
And
his
the
oil
scoop
caps.
goes to the air intake.
You'll put like the aluminum, whatever, oil fill cap on it, and then take it off and be like the guy in Indiana Jones and have like a little Dexos sign on your hand. What do you think this is gonna run? With you driving?
With a skinny? 890s, 880s.
Really? That'll be sick.
Nah, not that quick.
Low nines though, right?
Yeah, 920s. You're all racing.
Dig run, dude. He's got tires now.
Who's digging?
You make the same power and you weigh less. God, typical.
What are you
I
talking
just like
about?
dig racing. I'm a dig guy.
What are you guys talking about?
My old car.
To make a, you want a fair race.
From between who and who?
Joe's Mustang and his all-wheel drive.
Oh, I don't care. Oh, I thought he was talking about the Camaro. He's
No,
talking about the Camaro.
no. Which car? His Corvette? Or Camaro? Or Mustang?
the
Yeah.
vent ain't even gonna be a ring.
I'm not talking about the vent.
That's what I said. I said the Mustang.
His you know,
1900 horse.
his little DSM's gonna be here.
Oh, it's gonna be like every other 4-cylinder that has 800 horsepower. Performs like it has 500. I'm just gonna take a guess that his horsepower rating that he might have is based off of the software telling him that. Because every DSM guy, I got 800 horsepower.
Look at my fuel
Fucking-
consumption.
The laptop says so.
Y'all are gonna talk, but I did. It is paper from.
Wait, the dyno said 70 on dyno?
Yeah.
So like 630.
I made more on another dyno.
Well then you got lied to twice.
Are you gonna race him or not?
My car will be here Friday.
What's a big precision? Like a 55?
No, it's a.
Because I got 2 of those on the Mustang.
6765. I got 2. It's a 6765 that's on there right now. This is useless because I'm surrounded by V8 people. It's just useless.
How many
I'm
little
just
blue
saying.
What size is your drain though?
DSM?
I have never raced an impressive 4-cylinder, and no matter how much they talked and dyno numbers and this and this and this size turbo, it's always been embarrassing for them.
Yeah.
I mean,
Like not just like, oh man, that was a good race. It's always been like,
but I'm not
dude,
one of those dudes that go out and
what
talk
happened?
shit either, though.
Yeah, did you go?
But I'm not one of those.
Because I
guys
have a real 700 horsepower. Well, what is yours?
I'm not one of those racers that go out and talk shit. Like,
All right. Well, then Friday we're racing.
Fuck that, Corey. If you win, I'll buy everybody lunch.
There it is.
All I'll have you know, I'm pretty hungry.
Hey, like I said, we hungry.
We hungry.
Alright, if you win, Joe's got to take us to Cheesecake Factory for lunch.
Woo!
Because I love cheesecake.
Mario's like, I'm winning either way.
He drives the rarest car in the world. I've never seen one in my life.
Corolla station. Is it a Corolla?
It's a
Corolla station wagon? 5 speed?
Yeah.
Wow.
I've owned 2 of them
Dude,
actually.
you want to race?
That's a
That's a
Taco
Dude,
versus
Taco, beat my ass.
What size motor do you have?
Mine's only a 1.6. You have at least a 2.4, right?
No, mine's a 1.6.
You're a lioness,
I got one of
bitch!
them. I'm down anyways, but I mean my
Roll
car's
or
not
dig?
fast. I'll dig you.
You don't dig me, dude. Alright,
his Taco versus he's got that red
full
Corolla
blown
station wagon.
race car.
Full-blown station wagon.
Really?
Yeah.
I guess they're super rare.
I got full-blown racing slicks
How many
on.
miles you got on there?
It's got like 198,000.
Brand new.
Motor's just broken in. I don't want to race anymore, dude. I don't have anything for that car.
Are just not 100% accurate.
No. 92 degrees, 46% humidity versus 70 degrees and 30% humidity.
Very different.
I know I'm not running at my fullest today,
Yeah.
so this definitely can't be.
Let me see what else we can do here, but this is not looking like it's going to be a good comparison.
Yeah. You gotta like that brown Corvette you got out there?
God damn it. It was a new record. I didn't have to wash it for like 2 months.
It is poopy butthole. Look at the sky. It's
I
terrible.
don't even want to drive in it. It's just going to make my air filter get dirty, and then I'll have to clean that too. I do anything I can do to not have to clean something because it takes time that I don't have. If I wash the car, it takes me an hour and a half.
This is why you have 3 cars.
Well, that's why I drive the Tahoe on days like this.
Yeah, my eyes hurt.
It wasn't supposed to do this today.
Shouldn't have to do this.